Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to A.I.M.S Dare to Success YouTube channel. Today I came with a new concept from straight lines chapter. The very important previous question is find P if the straight lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 is equal to 0, 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. Here, two straight lines mutually perpendicular means you can use this concept. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Here, M means slope of the line. M is slope of the line. So, first of all, slope of line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 is M is equal to minus A by B. Use this concept for the first line. I can find slope of 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0 is denoted by M1 equal to minus A by B. M1 is equal to minus here A means x coefficient 3 divided by B means y coefficient 7. This is slope of the first line. And second line slope of 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0 is denoted by M2. M2 is equal to minus A by B. So, M2 is equals to minus A means x coefficient 7 by B means y coefficient minus P. Minus get cancelled 7 by P. Given problem, given two lines are mutually perpendicular. Two straight lines are mutually perpendicular. That is M1, M2 equal to minus 1. M1 value minus 3 by 7 into M2 value 7 by P is equals to 1 minus 1. Here 7 get cancelled, left side right side minus cancelled, remaining value 3 by P is equals to 1. Cross multiply, we get P equal to 3. This is the required value. Okay, my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. According to this concept, we can take one question. If the straight lines 3x plus py minus 1 equal to 0 and 7x minus 3y plus 3 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular, then find P. Here perpendicular means two lines. You can use M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. Here we can take slope of the straight line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is M is equal to minus A by B. This is the formula. Like this, of the given straight lines from the problem 3x plus py minus 1 equal to 0. It is denoted by M1 equal to minus A by B. M1 is equal to minus A. A means x coefficient 3 by y coefficient P. and again you can take another straight line. Slope of the line 7x minus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. It is denoted by m2 is equal to minus a by b. m2 is equals to minus a value 7 by b value y coefficient minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled, 7 by 3. According to the given problem, given two straight lines are mutually perpendicular. Mutually perpendicular means m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Here m1 value is minus 3 by p into m2 value is 7 by 3 equals to minus 1. Here numerator denominator 3 get cancelled, left side right side minus minus get cancelled, remaining value 7 by p equals to 1. Then cross multiply, my dears, we get p equal to 7. This is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding clearly this question. And same concept, one more question. Find k if the straight lines y minus 3kx plus 4 equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 equal to 0 are mutually perpendicular. Same concept, perpendicular or mutually perpendicular, you can take it m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. According to the perpendicular formula, slope of the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is m equal to minus a by b. According to this, I can take it slope of the line, you can rearrange and write it minus 3kx plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. It is denoted by m1 is equals to minus a by b. So m1 value minus a, here x coefficient a value minus 3k divided by b. B value means y coefficient 1. So minus into minus plus 3k for the first line slope. Similarly, you can take slope of the second line, that is 2k minus 1 into x minus 8k minus 1 into y minus 6 equal to 0 is denoted by m2 is equals to minus a by b. So m2 is equals to minus a. A means x coefficient 2k minus 1 by b means y coefficient minus of 8k minus 1. So numerator denominator minus minus get cancelled, remaining value 2k minus 1 by 8k minus 1. According to the given problem, given two lines are mutually perpendicular or normal ga perpendicular. Perpendicular means m1 m2 equal to minus 1. What is m1 value? 3k into m2 value 2k minus 1 by 8k minus 1 equal to minus 1. Just substitute m1 m2 values here. So then cross multiply, my dears, 3k multiply numerator 3 into 2 6 k into k square minus 3k into 1 3k is equal to this 8k minus 1 multiply with minus 1 we get minus 8k, minus into minus plus 1. All right side values are going to left side. We get 6k square minus 3k, this minus 8k coming into left side plus 8k plus 1 coming into left side minus 1 equal to 0. We get 6k square, 8k minus 3k is 5k, minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can find factorize. So first last multiply, you get minus 6k square. Okay, so you can write like this, middle value 5k. Take any two numbers, if you add those two numbers you must get 5k. Same two numbers, if you multiply you should get minus 6k square. So once you can check 6k minus k is 5k. Next multiply, plus into minus, minus 6k into k, 6k square. At a time you must satisfy addition and subtraction. So here both are satisfied at a time. So my dears, you can start substitution. So 6k square, this 5k value can be written as 6k minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. From first two terms we can take 6k common, remaining value k plus 1. From last two terms minus 1 common, remaining k plus 1 equal to 0. First bracket and next bracket, k plus 1 is the common, remaining value 6k minus 1 equal to 0. So k plus 1 equal to 0 implies k is equal to 1 going to right side minus 1, and next 6k minus 1 equal to 0 implies 6k is equals to minus 1 going to right side plus 1, implies k equal to multiplying 6 going to another side division, so k value 1 by 6. So here we got k value minus 1 and k value 1 by 6. I hope you all are understanding clearly, my dears. If you are satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. Like this type of concept wise in one video, all problems, so many questions are there, so many playlists are there in our YouTube channel, A.I.M.S Dare to Success. So please go through those videos, those playlists. You can understand the concept. If through concept you can do it, don't by heart the mathematics. సో ఇలాంటి వీడియోలు చాలా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నేర్చుకొని మంచిగా మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయాన్ని పోగొట్టుకోండి. సో మై డియర్స్, మీకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ అనిపిస్తే, మీకు రాని ప్రాబ్లం మీరు చూస్తున్న వీడియోలు కింద కమెంట్ బాక్స్లో మీరు కమెంట్ చేయండి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ని నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. జై బోలో భారత్ మాతాకి జై, జై జవాన్, జై కిసాన్. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుసుకుందాం. అంతవరకు సెలవు. నమస్తే. టేక్ కేర్. బాయ్ బాయ్.